Hello everybody, welcome back into another video. Oh wait, let me change the cam real quick. Wait. So in this video we're gonna do something very special. You already know, we're gonna unbox a new airplane. This is a very special airplane. You're gonna see it in 3, 2, 1. Say hello to little Airbus Beluga. So I randomly saw this at my local model plane store, and I thought of literally just buying this. So let's don't talk enough. Wait a second. I need to always grab a scissor to actually. So there we go. Let's open this. It's also the first ever Airbus airplane in my fleet, because if you would thought if I say Airbus plane, you would think I like a literal Emirates Airbus plane like this. You know what I mean? Let's just don't talk enough and unbox it really. So I'm gonna always start off with the stand. As you see, it is the Airbus Beluga XL in a special livery for my side house. Wait. So there we go. Stand. We got the tail wing. It's in a special design because it's the... Oh! No, there's something different. Oh my god, I did not notice that. That's a pretty cool feature. You get these things, like these panels to it. And you need to connect them. Oh gosh. This is one of the coolest planes I've ever bought. Like literally, I swear on earth. Which way? Oh. Connected the wrong one. Connected the entirely wrong. So there we go. The tail wings are here. What's going on with the actual tail, which looks a little goofy, but it's designed to actually stand off the back. So then we got, of course, the classic A330 wing. I'm gonna try that this glass is not blocking our view. There you go. Classic A330 wing. Of course, like every single other plane, the other wing. And now, everyone, I'm gonna change the camera mode. This thing away, so let's get the fuselage in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. Oh my god, this thing is so big. What is that sound, bro? That is one of the most nonsense sounds ever. So, like always, like a secret, we're always gonna firstly attach the... The tail is on. Now let's move on with the tail wing. First elevator. Since when did this come off? I think we have a problem. This thing is not so sturdy. I need to be careful. Next tail wing going on. Yep, I knew it. This thing is not so sturdy. Wait, sorry for putting the plane away. Okay, got it. The last two pieces are the wings for this. Okay, first wing is on. This thing looks... And this is the A330-700, which are not new, exists like the A330-800. And there we go. Now we're gonna show it to you. So this is the Airbus Beluga XL6, I guess. Wait, don't be blurry. There you go, 6. So this is the airplane. We of course got the Beluga smile and this one clinking eye. And now we got the text Airbus Beluga. Wait, why is it so blurry? I don't know why it's so blurry. Sorry. We got the text also flying outside cargo to your destination. XL Airbus xl6. xl6. The beating heart of Airbus and the Airbus Beluga, and then here the XL on the bottom. Yeah. That's. Wait, sorry. We now need to put the Airbus on the stand, and here we go. It's a very, very majestically nice model. Like and subscribe, and I'm out.